Hello and welcome back. Today I want to talk about the heart of the query theory diet, and that's the questions. There are 3 times you should be asking questions during the diet process. We've already gone over 2 of them. The first one is before you even begin a diet, you have to ask yourself questions about what you're willing to do with your eating habits and your exercise before you even start the diet. And the question was basically, are you willing to do this for the rest of your life? If the answer was no, you have to move on a different way. If the answer is yes, then we're on the way. The second area where you need to ask your questions is in the middle of the day, maybe right before breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or during snacks, when you're tempted to eat some sort of food that you decided that you were going to eliminate or reduce, and you're thinking about eating it if you had decided to eliminate it, or you're thinking about eating a lot more than you had planned to. You have to ask yourself questions then. Both of those types of questions we've already gone over. Today I want to go over the third time you ask yourself a question, and that's right at bedtime. But before I go over those questions, let's go weigh myself and fill in the spreadsheet and talk about challenges. All right, see you in a bit. Alexa, what day is it?
It's Saturday, February 3rd.
Let's fill in today's weight. 193.5. That's a little bit better than I expected. Let's copy all this and bring it down. So I'm 6.4 pounds lighter than I was when I started, pretty much about a month ago. Compared to my goal of 196, I'm 2.5 pounds lighter than that, so that's cool. And my average is still 1.6 pounds per week. When I look at the challenges this week, there really were none. I stayed at home, nothing special happening, no football games. Next week, there is a Super Bowl weekend, is this weekend, so that might be a challenge. And then I'm going to be on the road for quite some time. Next weekend, I'm going to be in Santa Fe, then Sedona the following weekend, and then Seattle the following weekend. So long on the road, that can definitely be a challenge. So we'll see what happens there. And for these 3 weekends, I will not be weighing myself. I only weigh myself on Saturday mornings at home with my own scale. When I'm out of town, I'm not sure how that scale's accuracy is. I may not be able to weigh myself the same time as always. So I just don't do it because I don't trust the results. So I won't be weighing myself until I get back on March 3rd. So let's look at the third time that you're going to ask yourself questions. And this time is going to be right before bed, when you're going to review the day's successes and challenges. Was there any situation you could have done better? That is the question you're going to ask yourself every night. If everything you did during the day, breakfast, lunch, supper, snacks, was all good, you just say to yourself, tomorrow will be just as good or better, and say goodnight. But let's say you could have done better. All you have to do is make this statement, today I could have done better by, and then say what the problem was and how you could have done better. And then follow it by tomorrow will be better and the whole week will be a success. No need to beat yourself up for one day, that's not good. We measure success by the weekly results, not by each meal and not by each day, only the whole week. I'll see you in Santa Fe with a new video, but I will not be weighing myself. Until then, bye.